Good morning all of you. So today discuss about the place values. See here page number 41 from your activity book. Everybody open page number 41. See here page number 41. 10 boxes make a pile. Use this pile to represent tens. See here 10 boxes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is make a tens place. So for example here 10 boxes here, how many times are there? You can first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the one pile and this is the one pile means so you can write it in tens place 2. Did you understand? So like that only you can do today problems. See here 10 boxes make a pile, use this pile to represent tens and single boxes to represent ones. Draw to show the place values of the following numbers. See here 31. Draw to show the place values of the following numbers. See, this is 31 beta. Listen carefully. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 boxes make a file means these are the tens place. So this is 1 pile, 2 pile, 3 pile. Means here in tens place you can write 3. See here you can write here tens ones. See here that's it. See here in tens place how many points are there once see 1, 2, 3. So 3 is in tens place. 3 is in tens place. Now the files are started from tens place, not ones place. So this is 1. So 1. The answer is 31. 3 is in tens place, 1 is in ones place. Now next 23. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One pile completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 is in tens place, 2 piles completed. Remaining ones place you can write 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Each pile in tens place, each pile contain 10 boxes. See here 10 boxes, here 10 boxes, so total 2, 5. So ones place contain only 3 boxes. Then you can write here tens ones. See, look at the blackboard, everybody. In tens place, 2 pile. In each pile contains 10 boxes. Means here, tens place 2 you can write, and ones place 1, 2, 3 boxes. So the answer is 23. 2 is in tens place and 3 is in ones place. Next, 42. 42 means you can write 4 files. In each file contain 10 boxes. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 4 files. Next 3, 2. 2 means in one space you can draw 2 boxes, that's it. Did you understand better? See, one pile contains 10 boxes. How many piles are there? 4 piles. Means here 4 is in tens place. 4 is in tens place. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is in tens place. And here 2 boxes. This ones place. 2 is in ones place. 42. Next 55. 55 means you can make 5 files. Okay, each file contains 10 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the tens place. Next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here tens, ones. See here tens place, so you can write which number. See here one file contains 10 boxes. Means how many files are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 is in tens place. Now next this is one file, but this is the ones place. It has 5 boxes. Means 5 is in ones place. The given number is 55. Single boxes to represent ones. The file represents tens. Did you understand? This is the file represents tens place and the single box represents only ones place. So everybody remind it. Now next 67. So 67 means what beta? How many files can you make? 6 files. 67. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 files means this is the tens place. Next, so single boxes represents ones. So you can draw 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is tens place, this is ones place. See here, how many files are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In each file contain 10 boxes means that is represents tens place. See, now here write down tens, ones. See here tens. How many files are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 6 is in tens place. So this is the ones place. So single boxes means how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. The given number is 67. Now next 12. 12 means 1 is in tens place. Means you can make a one file. One file means 10 boxes in a one file. So this is tens place. So now you can write 2 single boxes. Means 1, 2. This is tens place. This is ones place. See here tens, ones. So in tens place you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. No. 10 boxes make a one file. One file means 1 is tens place. Next, these are single boxes, this 2 is in ones place. The given number is 12. Next, match the number to sentence, follow the given. See here. One in the tens place. Look at the blackboard. Next, 7 in the tens. And the ones place. Next, the ones place has nothing in it. Next, the difference between the number in the tens the difference between the number in the tens place and the number course book ఉంచుకో. See here, the difference between the number in tens place and the number in the ones place is 1.
Stop today. What's time? In the time when you put it. అంతే టైం ఇతను చెప్పదు
See here,
14 minutes
60, next 80, next 98, next 77. See, 1 in the tens place. So here, 8 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place. So you can write 18. Next, 7 in the tens and the ones place. 7 is in tens place and the ones place means 7 is in tens place and ones place. This is. Next, the ones place has nothing in it. The ones place has nothing in it means 760. Next, the difference between the number in the tens place and the number in the ones place 1. So 98. Now next today discuss about a very important topic, addition. From your course book, everybody open your course book. So course book addition. Page number 55. Everybody open your course book, page number 55 beta. See here addition. First of all, what is the addition? Addition means here if you take any two or more numbers, okay, together is called as addition. So two or more numbers means now I am taking here, now I am taking two pieces of chalk in one hand and one pencil in other hand. So addition means so two or more numbers together means you can add. So here two pieces of chalk and one, total 3. This is called as addition. Did you understand? So here according to our textbook, number plus number, that is equals to sum. According Ostagen, here number plus number sum means so you can add any two numbers. So what is the sum? Sum means the result of addition. Number plus number means here 2 plus 5, what we get? 7. See here 2 plus 1, you can get 3. 3 is the sum. The result of addition is known as its sum. That is sum. See here, let we see if you remember. See here, your fingers cannot always be used to addition. Because so here is another way. For example, see you can 2 plus 1 beta. 2 plus 1 means you have take 2 and you take 1. You can count 1, 2, 3, write 3. This is always need? No. So some of the bigger number is given. How you can count it? So here one method is Method is given. See, listen carefully. See, of the two numbers, now here, keep the bigger number in your mind. See, look at the next number and open that. Many fingers on your hand. Now start the count from the number in the mind. See here. Let us calculate. Look at the blackboard. Let us calculate means add. See, 9 plus 4. See here, 9 plus 4. Keep bigger number in your mind. Keep bigger number in your mind. Look at the next number and open that many fingers on your hands. Look at the next number. Next number చూడండి. Next number వాడినా 4. So open that many fingers on your hand. So you can open your hand and you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. But here keep bigger number in your mind. Next, keep bigger number 9 in your mind and open 4 fingers. How many fingers you can open? 4 fingers. You can count 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you understand? So keep 9. Keep bigger number what here? Bigger number 9. Keep bigger number 9 in your mind. And you have to take 4 fingers in your hand. Now next you can count bigger number what? 9. 9 after you can count 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. So 13 is called as its sum. The result of addition. The result of addition is called as its sum. See here. Now next, see here, fun with 1, add 1 to all the numbers on your left, don't forget to have the bigger number in mind. See here, very easy beta. ఎప్పుడు కూడా బిగ్గర్ నంబర్ను మైండ్లో పెట్టుకోండి, దానికి 1ను యాడ్ చేయండి, యూ కెన్ గెట్ వెరీ ఈజీ. దట్ ఈస్ పేజ్ నెంబర్ 56. Page number 56. Listen carefully, beta. This is page number 56. This is, I can say, row wise, beta. See here, 1 plus 1. One plus 1 very easy, no? So 1 plus 1. Keep 1 in your mind hand. We have to take 1 figure in your hand. You can count 1 after 1. You can get 2. Next, 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. See here, keep 2. 2 is the bigger number in your mind. Keep 2 in your mind and let us take 1 finger in your hand. So you can count 2 after 1. What better? 2 after 1? 3. What we get? 3. Next, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means here the bigger number is 3. Keep 3 in the mind and let us take 1 finger in your hand. So you can count 3 after 1, 4. Means what, beta? Any 1 is added to any number, you can get next number. 1 is added to 3, you can get 4. 1 is added to 5, you can get 6. 1 is added to 6, you can get 7. 1 is added to 7, you can get 8. means here 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12. See, means 1 is added to any number, you can get the next number. So now next here 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 means 4 plus 1. What we get by the 4 plus 1? Keep 4 in the mind. 4 is the bigger number. And we have to take one finger in your hand. So 4 after 5. So you can get 5. Next 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 means here bigger number 5. Keep in your mind. So 1 in the hand. So you can count 5 after. 5 plus 1 6. Next 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 means here bigger number 6. 6 keep in your mind. So I can count 1. So 6 after 1 7. What we get better? 7. 6 plus 1 7. Next 7 plus 1. What we get 7 plus 1? Very easy. Keep the bigger number 7 in your mind and 1 we have to take 1 in your hand. 7 plus 1 8. Next 8 plus 1. You can say directly 9. See next 9 plus 1. Listen carefully. So keep 9 in your mind and we have to take one finger in your 9 after 10. 10 is a 2-digit number beta. 10 is a 2-digit number. Already I told to you people. 10 to 99. 10 to 99. These are the 2 digits numbers. So 10 is a smallest 2-digit number. 99 is the largest and biggest 2-digit number. So, okay, did you understand everybody? Tomorrow I will say next problems. Today our class is completed. Thank you everybody.